My puppy thought my baseboards were a chew toy, but I found something that actually fixed it. This is that viral wall repair paste I grabbed off TikTok shop. People use it to fix wall cracks and holes, but I wanted to see if I could use it to repair these chewed up baseboards. It comes in small packs, so you don't have to worry about a big tub drying out, and just a little bit is enough to fix all the small problems. It's super easy to use, non-toxic, and doesn't stick to your hands, and once it's dry, it's incredibly strong. Now I'm looking for other places around the house that need fixing, and if you've got small cracks, holes, or wall issues, this repair paste is a lifesaver. Got mold on your walls? This also solves it, and it won't come back. The best part is, if you order today, there's a limited time deal. I'll drop the link below.